Abby! Come here, girl. Abby, come here. Touch. Abby, do you... Shh. I told you not to knock.
Sorry, I forgot. Can you take this? I didn't know there was going to be dogs here. Can you not leave it there? I don't want him to mess with it.
You just handle your own shit, Kate.
What's all this?
They just moved in.
This place is nice.
Don't touch anything, okay?
Look, if you're just going to guilt trip me, I can just...
You just, what? Go somewhere else? These blankets are for you. Just put your shit wherever.
Doesn't this place have a ton of bedrooms? You been staying here for a while?
A few weeks.
Are they paying you?
No, Kate, not everyone does everything for money. Have you eaten?
Here, I got it.
Well,
Do it.
just sit down, okay? I got it.
You just need to relax.
Relax?
Yeah, what, did you have a bad day or something?
What the fuck are you even talking about?
You just seem stressed.
So what are you even doing in LA? I thought you were finally getting settled up there.
I'm doing a lot better. Got a new place and everything.
Your own place?
God, it's freezing in here. I forgot how cold you like it. Can I wear this?
Sure.
It's dirty. The stuff smells like what that lady used to make across the hall, remember?
Don't remember.
Can you just enjoy my company for one night? I'll be gone tomorrow.
Honestly...
Dishonesty is fine for one night. Forks?
In the drawer.
Thanks for letting me stay.